Welcome to Mindfully Stoic, a channel dedicated to increasing mindfulness through the lens of the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. In today's session, we will be discussing what Stoics meant when they said that we should live in accordance with nature. As you will find out, this did not mean that they thought that we should retreat from modern society and live off the grid, even though that does sound kind of nice. To the Stoics, we as humans are different from the rest of the animal kingdom, and that we are capable of reason. Moreover, we are social creatures that thrive in social units. With that being said, let's begin with today's mindfulness session. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Inhale peace and courage. Exhale frustration and fear. Inhale peace and courage. Exhale frustration and fear. Notice the sensations in your feet, in your hands, your legs, your back. Recognize the lungs expanding and deflating with each breath. Pay attention to any of the sounds in the environment without any judgment. If you have any distracting thoughts, observe them, acknowledge them, and bring your attention back to your breathing. Simply let yourself be in the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, again, bring your awareness back to your breath. Breathe in, I am breathing in. Breathe out, I am breathing out. Breathe in, I am breathing in. Breathe out, I am breathing out. Remember to release any tension in your face, in your jaw. Breathe in, I am breathing in. Breathe out, I am breathing out. Living according to nature, according to the Stoics, meant that we should live in the way that nature or the Logos intended us to live. We are social creatures that thrive in social units such as the family, friend groups, communities, and countries. Additionally, human beings are capable of higher level reasoning and language. This doesn't mean that other animals aren't capable of reason. However, I don't see too many non-human animals contributing to philosophy. It is important to note that the ancient Stoics believed that the universe, the Logos or Pneuma, was a living entity, the providential cosmos from which all reason is derived, that believed that all things will work out for the good of the whole rather than the few. Zeno, founder of Stoicism, wrote That which exercises reason is more excellent than that which does not exercise reason. There is nothing more excellent than the universe, therefore the universe exercises reason. With that context in place, we can begin to understand what it means to live according to nature. Epictetus explained, "See that you do not act like a sheep, or else again the man in you perishes." You ask how we act like sheep? When we consult the belly or our passions, when our actions are random or dirty or inconsiderate. Are we not falling away to the state of sheep? What do we destroy? The faculty of reason. When our actions are combative, mischievous, angry, and rude, do we not fall away and become wild beasts? In his book, How to Be a Stoic, Massimo Pigliucci said, "Epictetus explained to me that it is the nature of the rational animal that he can attain nothing good for himself unless he contributes some service to the community. So it turns out that to do everything for his own sake is not unsocial." He goes on to say that the fundamental aspect of being human is that we are social, not just in the sense that we like the company of others, but in the deeper sense that we couldn't really exist without the help of others. The implication is that when we do things for the good of the polity, we are actually, perhaps indirectly, benefiting ourselves. Socrates, one of the most influential people on Stoic philosophy, encapsulated this thought when he said, "Never reply to one who asks your country, 'I am an Athenian,' or 'I am a Corinthian,' but 'I am a citizen of the universe.'" As you go about your day, we can take the advice of Hierocles, the Stoic philosopher, and see strangers as if they are our own brothers, sisters, aunts, and uncles. Let us use reason and virtue to build better relationships and societies, for this is how nature, according to the Stoics, intended. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. In and out. As we wrap up this guided meditation, start to take some deep breaths. Try to remember any positive thoughts or moments that you had during today's session. Become more aware of your arms and hands, legs and feet, neck and shoulders, chest and back. Thank you for listening to this guided meditation. I appreciate your efforts on becoming more mindful and more virtuous in a world that desperately needs it. Let us strive to be mindfully stoic.